The following video is a GMC vertical milling machine. Chris is going to run a brief video demonstration today.
All right, we're going to use our rack. 15 feet, and then rack. Go direct. Rack it. In and out. Of course, manual. So we're going to go ahead and run the single. You can only set for high gear. 1400, 2000, 2600, 3000. Brakes. Low gear. 180, 200, 260, 300, 360. That's good. I'll keep it going. Healthy. I'm going the wrong way. See it drop out.
Again, the preceding video is a GMC vertical milling machine.